Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send a Google Drive link through Facebook Messenger. This is a convenient way to share large files with friends or colleagues directly via chat. Let's get started. First of all, go to drive.google.com and log in. Use your account credential for that. After that, find the file or folder you want to share. Once you've located it, right-click on the file and select Get Link. You'll see a pop-up where you can choose who can view the file. Set it to anyone with the link if you want anyone to be able to access it. Then click Copy Link. Step 2 is you're gonna open Facebook Messenger either on your desktop or in the mobile app. I'll open it on my desktop. Choose the conversation where you want to share the link. After that, head to the message box and simply paste the link you copied from Google Drive. You can also add a message explaining what the file is. Once done, hit send. The recipient will now have access to the file or folder based on the permission you set. If your friend can't access the link, make sure the sharing settings are correct by going back to Google Drive and checking the link settings. Always double check permissions before sending. And that's how you send a Google Drive link via Facebook Messenger. Super simple and fast. If you have any further questions, you can leave them in the comments below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next time in the next video.